The Farmer and the Snake. It was a cold winter morning. The snow covered the ground like a white blanket, and the wind blew hard across the empty fields. A kind farmer walked through the forest, carrying a basket of wood for his fire. His hands were red from the cold, but his heart was warm and full of kindness. As he walked, he saw something lying beside the road. It was a snake, stiff and silent, frozen by the winter wind. Its body no longer moved, and its eyes were closed. The farmer looked at the poor creature and felt pity. He thought, "This snake is still a living being. It does not deserve to die from the cold." The farmer took off his scarf and gently picked up the snake. He placed it inside his coat, close to his chest, hoping his body heat would warm it. As he walked back home, he could feel the snake's body slowly becoming softer. The warmth of the farmer's heart gave the snake life again. When the farmer arrived at his house, the fire was burning in the fireplace. The house felt safe and warm. He placed the snake on a soft rug near the fire. Slowly, the snake began to move. Its eyes opened, its tongue flicked out, and its body started to twist again. The farmer smiled, happy that his kindness had saved a life. But as the snake became stronger, its true nature returned. It did not remember the farmer's kindness. It only felt hunger and fear. It saw the farmer's hand reaching toward it, and thought it was danger. Without a thought, the snake bit the farmer on his wrist. The bite was deep and full of poison. The farmer cried out in pain. He watched as the snake crawled away, leaving behind the one who had saved it. The poison spread quickly through his body. He became weak and pale. He sat down beside the fire, his vision fading. In his final moments, the farmer looked at the door where the snake had gone. He did not feel anger, only sadness. He whispered to himself, "I was foolish. I gave my warmth to one who could never change. I showed kindness to evil, and now I must pay the price." The fire burned bright, but the room grew quiet. Outside, the snow kept falling, covering the path once again. The farmer's body rested in peace, but his story remained to be told.
Moral and reflection. This story teaches an important lesson about life and wisdom. Kindness is a precious gift, but it must be given with understanding. Some hearts are filled with goodness, and kindness can help them grow. But others are filled with selfishness and cruelty. No matter how much warmth they receive, their nature does not change. The snake in this story represents those who cannot be changed by love or mercy. Its bite is a warning to us. Blind kindness can lead to harm. Being kind does not mean being foolish. We must learn to see clearly and choose wisely whom we help. True wisdom is knowing when to open your heart and when to protect it. Mercy should be guided by reason, not only by emotion. If we give our warmth to those who only wish to harm us, we lose both our strength and our peace. The farmer's fate reminds us that goodness must walk hand in hand with wisdom. In life, not everyone deserves our trust. Some people may smile at our kindness but carry a hidden poison in their hearts. No matter how much we give, they may still hurt us. Therefore, this fable tells us, even if you treat evil people with great kindness, their evil nature will not change. True wisdom is not only to love, but also to discern.